Hey, welcome back to the shop. We're gonna perform an unboxing. This is the Laguna Revo lathe. I got the stand over there. Well, pieces of it. I'll make a separate video on that. Let's see what's in here. Tools, manual, feet, live center, two different types. This is a new adventure for me. I have never used a lathe, so it'll be a nice learning curve. And I'll share some of that from my perspective of a complete 100% newbie. But this is 16 by 12. Lathe. Let me put this aside. That's a big bag. This is going to be fun to pick this up out of the box, but we'll try it. For me, I kind of learned from other tools that, poor man pays twice. For me, poor man pays 3 times because, for example, I bought that Rikon 10-inch bandsaw. Nothing wrong with it, but my shop was in the basement and I couldn't afford. It wasn't that I couldn't afford it, it was like I didn't have the room. So I wanted a 14 and I bought that. And at the time, 3 years ago, the 14-inch was like $12.99, like $1,300. This thing was like $600. So I just bought a 14. That's going to be another. It's in the back of my car. But now the 14 is like $2,000, so that's $700 more than it was to begin with, and the $600-700 plus tax, like including taxes I spent for that one. So with this, I wanted a small lathe, but I wanted a high quality one, so I went with Laguna. And how are we gonna do this? I think I cut some of this plastic around. the plastic to come with me. Just checking that there's nothing underneath. So there she is. And I guess I'm just doing this to just fit in here. I know so much about lathes, you know, that I know nothing. But yeah, this does fit in here. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to check. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? It aligns very good. Move this out of the way. I don't know, my camera's in my head. I don't know where it's pointing, but very smooth. I'm going to clean it up and put the base together, and I'll catch up with you then. Well, there she is. As you can see, I got the base and the wheel kit for it. So this comes with a stock attachment and two different live centers, that one and this other one here. It's got 3 speeds, and you change them very simply by opening up this 2 latches here. So there's your belt and the 3 speeds. You undo that, and that loosens up the belt. You turn a bit and switch it over to whatever you want, and you put it back, and that's how simple that is. And here it tells you what the speeds are. So the smaller one goes from 50 to 525 RPM, 325 to 1750 in the middle, and 650 to 3500 on the last one. That closes up. This button here locks your spindle when you're making changes. and has forward, reverse, digital readout, and speed control. Very smooth, by the way. Everything is very smooth. So now I have to learn how to use this. So it'll be a neat challenge, I think. Anyways, hope you enjoy that. I'll catch you at the next one. Stay away from my channel.